struggling with hearing issues or seeking cognitive enhancement? Zen Cortex might be the natural solution you're looking for. This supplement, packed with organic ingredients like plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals, aims to tackle hearing loss and buzzing by detoxifying your ears and restoring ear-to-brain connections. Zen Cortex doesn't just promise improved hearing. It also claims to boost brain function, enhancing focus, concentration, and memory. With ingredients like ginkgo biloba for blood flow and vitamin B12 for nerve health, it's designed to support your auditory and cognitive systems holistically. Plus, with a money-back guarantee, you can feel confident in giving it a try. Remember, Zen Cortex is exclusively sold through its official website to ensure authenticity. Avoid other retailers and head straight to the source for your purchase. Choose your Zen Cortex package wisely. Opt for a single bottle at $69, or get the best value with 6 bottles at $49 each, saving you $780. The most popular choice? 3 bottles at $59 each, with savings of $360. Both bulk options come with free shipping in the US and 2 bonus ebooks.